Here I've got LeEco Le S3, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick battery, and here you will notice power saving management. Just click on it, and if you would like to activate power saving mode, just click on ultra long standby during sleep. Click on OK, as this function will automatically clean up apps and turns off power consuming functions, so your device will definitely work a bit longer. Then you can also click on battery assistant, and here you can activate low power solution by tapping on the switcher, and now it's active. As you can see, the brightness has been decreased, and then you can turn it off by tapping on the same switcher. Also, your LeEco allows you to add some automatic function. Just click on turn on automatically, and here pick 10 or 20%. Let me pick 10% of the battery, so from now on, every time the battery level is lower than 10%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. So this is it. This is how you can protect your battery and how you can extend your device's life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.